Your body regularly loses fluids through perspiration, breathing, and other normal biological functions, regardless of the weather. It is critical to maintain your body hydrated so that you can perform at your best, and do your everyday chores efficiently. Hydration is essential for a variety of reasons, including regulating body temperature, keeping joints lubricated, preventing infections, delivering nutrients to cells, and keeping organs functioning properly. Sleep quality, cognition, and happiness are all improved by being hydrated. Coconut water is a natural isotonic beverage that can readily help you replace lost electrolytes, while also ensuring that you stay hydrated. It's naturally high in electrolytes, and important nutrients, which support fluid balance and overall health. The liquid contained in the middle of a young green coconut is called coconut water. It aids in the nourishment of the fruit. Some of the liquid remains in the coconut as it grows, which takes around 12 months, while the rest ripens into the solid white flesh known as coconut meat. Coconut water is extracted from young coconuts that are 7 months old, but it can also be found in older fruit. Coconut water yields around 1 cup from a typical green coconut. Coconut water is almost entirely made up of water, with very little fat. It's not to be confused with coconut milk, which is prepared by combining grated coconut meat with water. Coconut milk has nearly half of its weight in water and is heavy in fat. Coconut water, sometimes known as water of life, is a clear, refreshing, somewhat sweet-tasting beverage, derived from young green coconuts. Coconut water is a lighter, and more translucent liquid than coconut milk, which is extracted from ripe coconuts. Coconut water is rich in micro and macronutrients including iron, protein, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, making it more than just a delicious tropical beverage. Even if you are not exercising, your body loses moisture through perspiration, breathing, excretion, and other biological activities throughout the day. Electrolytes are minerals that are necessary for a variety of daily operations in your body. Sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are some of the most common electrolytes. Electrolytes are found in the foods we eat, and the fluids we drink. Electrolytes help in a variety of bodily activities, including the ones listed below. Maintain a healthy fluid balance. Allow nutrients to enter your cells. Expel waste from your cells. Electrolytes are necessary for proper skeletal muscle contraction, and may have a role in muscular exhaustion. Repair any injured tissue. Maintain the acidity of your blood pH at a healthy level. To be healthy, you need to drink a particular amount of electrolytes each day. Your metabolism and your body's natural ability to recuperate after heavy activity can be harmed by an electrolyte imbalance. While electrolytes can be obtained from a variety of meals, drinking coconut water is one of the most effective ways to increase your electrolyte consumption. Coconut water, which is high in electrically charged minerals, is the ideal hydration drink to support a healthy and active lifestyle. Because it has no caffeine, added sugar, or hazardous chemicals. Unflavored coconut water, unlike other drinks, is low in sugar and calories. Coconut water is commonly used to rehydrate after exercise or while suffering from a minor sickness. Coconut water does include electrolytes including potassium, sodium, and manganese. Here are the health benefits of coconut water. Good for weight loss management. Coconut water is a fantastic addition to a sensible weight management plan. Since it is cholesterol-free, low in calories, and abundant in vitamins and minerals, especially when combined with a well-balanced diet and frequent exercise. Because of its rich nature, it also suppresses hunger, and helps you feel your stomach full. Heart health benefits. Coconut water has been shown to improve heart health. Its potassium content may aid to lower blood pressure. Furthermore, an older study discovered that coconut water may help lower the risk of heart disease. Though coconut water can help with a heart-healthy diet, a person should still follow their doctor's dietary recommendations. May help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stone prevention necessitates adequate hydration. Despite the fact that plain water is a decent option, 2 studies suggest that coconut water is even better. Kidney stones form when calcium, oxalate, and other substances in your urine mix to form crystals. These crystals can then be combined to produce little stones. Kidney stones afflict roughly 12% of the world's population, while certain people are more susceptible than others. Coconut water also aids in the dissolution of kidney stones due to the presence of potassium, which aids in urine alkalization, and the prevention of kidney stone formation. This suggests that coconut water may help flush the system and keep the risk of stones low. Coconut water prevented crystals from attaching to the kidneys and other areas of the urinary tract. It also decreased the formation of crystals in the urine. Coconut water best for hydration. As mentioned, coconut water is minimal in calories and carbs, making it equivalent to sports drinks that may contain added sugars and flavorings. Coconut water contains the electrolytes potassium, sodium, and magnesium. The unique blend provides a slight but pleasant boost that aids in hydration. Some studies suggest that it can aid with hydration primarily related to exercise because of the electrolytes. Coconut water replaced body fluids as good as a typical sports drink, and to some extent better than water. Lower your blood pressure. A human study found that increasing coconut water consumption lowers blood pressure. This could be due to the potassium in coconut water. A diet low in potassium raises the risk of hypertension. Help digestive function. Coconut water has a high magnesium content, which your body requires for proper digestion and absorption. It also contains dietary fiber, which helps to maintain a healthy digestive system, and regular bowel movement. Supports healthy immune function. Free radicals are unstable chemicals formed during metabolism in your cells. In reaction to stress or damage, their production increases. Your body enters a state of oxidative stress when there are too many free radicals, which can harm your cells, and raise your risk of disease. Coconut water contains antioxidants that aid in the body's natural immune defenses. Lauric acid, vitamin C, and other beneficial chemicals included in coconut water maintain a healthy immune system. Healthy muscle function. Coconut water is abundant in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and other minerals that are necessary for the proper function of muscles and other bodily organs. Calcium and magnesium are important electrolytes for proper muscular contraction and relaxation. Coconut water can be consumed on its own or in combination with other liquid beverages. Although there is no hard and fast rule for how much coconut water should be consumed on a daily basis, experts advise that if you consume large amounts of coconut water, you should consider maintaining an active lifestyle, because each 8 ounces serving contains 45 to 60 calories. Test. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.